Chilham Castle is a Jacobean manor house within the site of a Norman keep in the village of Chilham in Kent, England. The manor house was completed in 1616 for Sir Dudley Digges. The polygonal keep of the Norman castle, the oldest building in the village, dates from 1174 and is still inhabited today, making it one of the oldest dwellings in Great Britain. Various renovations and improvements to the manor house and surrounding gardens took place in the 18th and 19th centuries. The Norman keep dates to 1174, although it may have been built on an older Anglo-Saxon fortification. It was said to have been built for King Henry II, although archaeological excavations carried out in the 1920s suggest that it stands on the foundations of a much older Anglo-Saxon fortification, possibly dating from the 7th century. The Jacobean building was completed in 1616 for Sir Dudley Digges on a hexagonal plan, with 5 angled ranges and a 6th left open. It has battlemented parapets, clustered faceted column brick chimneys, and corner towers with square ogee capping. It is one of the finer mansions in the southeast of England and commands exceptional views across the valley of the River Stour. The gardens, originally thought to have been laid out by John Trasgant the Elder, were redesigned twice in the 18th century. Capability Brown made further recommendations for change, some of which were implemented. And on April 13th, 2021, the castle was put up for sale for £15 million.
Chaos forever, he rides the sky through castles and clouds where the secrets lie. The world unfolds in a silver stream. Dante's alone, but he chases the dream.